welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fabulous today, and if you are new over here, welcome to the TripleTN's family. Thanks for stopping by. Let's get right into today's video. Alright guys, so today I'll be doing a wash day, and I will be showing you, before I do my wash day, I will be using my hibiscus oil, and I'm going to do a hot oil treatment. So guys, look at my edges. You can see that my edges are coming right back, and this is 3 weeks using my hairspray, my onion hairspray, and also my flaxseed fenugreek hair butter. Yes guys, yes guys, and this hibiscus oil, and you keep on using it guys. My hair is coming back. This side is a little bit stubborn, but I am going to get it back. So it is in a cornrow now, and what I'm going to do is to pull it down, and guys, you see how my hair is thick? Wow. Yes guys, so I'm going to pull it down now, and I'm going to put some hot oil in, let it sit there for about half an hour, and then I'm going to do a wash. My hair was breaking off. I had to cut my hair, literally cut my hair in about September. Cut my hair September, and it eats my edges out. I can tell you, it doesn't grow overnight, but with consistency it will grow. Just keep on doing what you're doing. Be consistent in doing what you're doing, your routine. Follow your routine, using the products that works for your hair. What might work for me might not work for you, but just continue to do what you do, and yeah, your hair will eventually grow. Washing my hair now, so I'm going to take off this steam cap, the shampoo, the Mielle Rosemary strengthening shampoo. What I'm going to do is to shampoo my hair first. After shampooing my hair, I'm going to put the hair mask in, let it stay there for a while, running on the road to get my son, and then when I get back, rinsing it off, finish off my wash day. So I'll see you then guys. So guys, this is what I get from just finger detangling, and this is what I get from just combing out. Guys, this thing is all over me. It's all over me, guys. So let me get myself cleaned up and get back to you. So I'm going to put the plastic cap over my head. Guys, look at my hair. It seems like I dyed my hair, but not dyeing it. So I'm going to leave this on, guys. I'm going to go on the road. I'm going to pick up my son, and then I get back.